right 271, Southwest.
I guess it's not the same priority for Air Force One than Air Force Two.
Over departure, Southwest 1871, we're going for it.
Delta 353, LHR, runway 24 right, line up and wait.
Runway 24 right, line up and wait, Southwest 353.
Delta 850, I'm sorry, Sam 850 at LHR at Romeo, cross runway 24 left, hold short runway 24 right.
Sam 858, cross 24 left, hold short of 24 right, Sam 858.
Delta 413, have a good flight, contact SoCal departure.
Departure, have a good day, Delta 413.
Delta 353, 1260 at 10, RNAV Fabra, runway 24 right, clear for takeoff.
RNAV Fabra, runway 24 right, clear for takeoff, Southwest 353.
All right, guys, Air Force Two, ready for departure.
Sam 858, runway 24 right, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 24 right, Sam 858.
Yeah, I know Street Light. Yeah. I know they do that. But I know that today Vice President Harris was going to come here. But I don't know if she came and they're flying this plane empty somewhere. I don't know.
Southwest 353, have a good flight, contact SoCal departure.
Take care, Southwest 353, going to departure now.
Sam 858, wind 250 at 10, RNAV Fabra, runway 24 right, clear for takeoff.
RNAV Fabra, clear for takeoff, runway 24 right, Sam 858. Tower, Skywest 6196, inbound visual 24 right.
Skywest 6196, LA Tower, wind 240 at 10, runway 24 right, clear to land.
24 right, clear to land, Skywest 6196.